With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle proves competitive in its price class based on its condition and value. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.